All right, welcome to this video series on a maze solving GUI. So we're going to kind of pick up where we left off, um, our maze solver, and we're going to be writing a program that's basically the front end to solving a maze. So the way I picture this is we'll have an application. It's going to show the maze, have some buttons where we can click maybe solve, maybe have a menu where we select which algorithm we want the solver to use. Maybe have like a checkbox or something for show animation. I'm not sure. And we'll go from there. Okay. So I'm gonna start using this front end here, or not front end. I'm sorry. This planning tool that I found called Trello. And basically, what it does, it kind of lets me map out the project a little bit ahead of time, so we can kind of just think through it and discuss it. So got kind of a list of to-dos here. We need to, and most of this is taken off of the README here. So if you haven't had a chance to read the README, you might want to pause the video here and just take a look at it. That'll give you an idea of what this project is about. But basically, we want to display the maze, which I have that subdivided into a couple of things. We need an application class. We need a GUI class. And then we're going to need to somehow convert the text maze, which we already have, into a GUI maze. Then we'll display a solution. We'll look at that later. We'll let them select the algorithm, show hide animation, generate a random maze, load the maze from a file, create a maze, save maze. These are big maybes, so actually I'm going to go ahead and add a if there's time, or I want to say back burner actually. All right, so if we have time, then we'll have the option to create a maze and save the maze. The other stuff here I definitely want to do. So so that's it for this project. As far as the intro goes, we're gonna, like I say, if you haven't already taken a look at the README, do that. I do have a link in there to a GUI tutorial that I'll be kind of referencing. It's about 6 hours long though, so don't feel like you need to watch the whole thing. I definitely haven't watched the whole thing from beginning to end. I kind of jumped through it to get to. I started watching the whole thing and then I started falling asleep. So the guy's kind of a relaxing voice. So I started kind of skipping to the relevant bits. But yeah. So and then as far as grading on this project goes, this project will be getting us hopefully through hopefully we're only out of school here for another week, maybe 2 weeks. Don't know yet when I'm recording this. So hopefully this will get us through that time. So there's going to be some different milestones where I'm going to expect you to add, commit, and push your changes so that I can kind of see those commits and then give you a grade accordingly. Also, there's going to be some periodic quizzes that I'll put up on Google Classroom that'll be asking various questions about either the design process or the code, things like that. So make sure you're using the Discord channel if you have questions and to discuss and things like that. So yeah, so that's it for this first video. I'm looking forward to doing this project. I actually haven't done this, so yeah, we'll kind of work through it together, and yeah, we'll see you next time. So make sure you like and subscribe, and not really, but if you want to. All right, see you next time.